AC SmartSeal External is the professional's choice. Designed and proven for air conditioning and refrigeration systems, it seals larger leaks with just 4 simple steps. 1. Cut the SmartSeal. 2. Activate the epoxies. 3. Apply around the hole. 4. Cure and test. Let's go through these step by step. SmartSeal External comes in a roll that will work for 3 or 4 applications. Cut the SmartSeal External and save the rest for future use. Activate the epoxies by mixing the SmartSeal External between your fingers. It's a 2-part epoxy putty with a dark outer layer and a lighter core. Mix them together for about a minute until the SmartSeal External is a uniform gray. You'll feel a little heat as the epoxies activate. Apply the SmartSeal around the circumference of the tubing. You need about a 1/4 inch of product on either side of the hole. The thickness of the putty around the tubing should be at least the same as the size of the hole. So if the hole is 3 millimeters wide, then the SmartSeal External around the tubing should be at least 3 millimeters thick. SmartSeal External will cure on its own in a few hours. To accelerate the curing, use your heat gun over the SmartSeal External for 5 minutes, then wait about an hour and test. It's as easy as that. SmartSeal External is rated up to 825 psi. It's great for those hard-to-reach areas where leaks are common, as well as for leaks that are difficult or impossible to repair conventionally. SmartSeal External works on all materials: copper, aluminum, steel, plastic, and it's great where copper meets aluminum. It works on holes up to 5 millimeters, about 1/5 of an inch, and will last 12 to 15 years. It's tested and compatible with all refrigerants and lubricants and won't dissolve over time. Plus, it won't void warranties since it's applied from the outside, with nothing going into the system. SmartSeal External is a great solution when coils are on back order, either for a temporary fix or a permanent repair. It's great for safe, quick repairs in schools, hotels, and hospitals when you can't have a flame, and for older units that must be up and running at all times. SmartSeal External, the professional's choice. Available at wholesalers nationwide.